I want to say, in general, that we have to be very, very cautious and careful on two fronts. And that is that number one, we have to be careful that we don't assume that the things that we're seeing in the dunya equals success. Because we look at celebrities, we look at their homes and their cars. We look at the people who may not be so godly, may not be so righteous in our eyes. Whether they are or not, we don't know. Or maybe they even say we're disbelievers. We don't believe in God, we're atheists. And yet they have so much success, quote unquote. They have so much wealth and so many riches. And sometimes we think to ourselves, wow, they've achieved a type of success. And so what we have to do is we have to be careful and be on guard that we don't fall into that trap of thinking this is success. In a hadith related by Abu Hurairah, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Plenty of provision or abundance do not make a person rich and wealthy. Real richness is the benevolence of the heart."